beautiful landscape, isn't it? Altogether.
Yeah,
Yeah?
very nice.
I mean, look at the width of the roads, man. I mean, you have a dedicated cycling path, a dedicated walking space. I mean, the fact that this country encourages a very active, healthy lifestyle is just amazing. Let's take a left turn. I think you need one of the Uppsala County local passes, which is based on zones 1, 2. I think the colors represent the zones to be able to take the local buses inside the city. So you have to press this machine to be able to cross the road, and then you wait for